I just had sex!
Okay guys, everybody get ready for the picture. Everybody in now. Smile. Okay. Who the hell thinks it's funny to put a knife in my head? Hey! Was it you? Jimmy? I mean, what the fuck, guys? What the fuck? Who puts a knife in someone's head? Who does that? Woo! I mean, I'm feeling a bit queasy, but that doesn't stop anyone from giving a shit. I mean, look, it's fucking in my head. I can feel it on my brain. Oh my god. Oh, I'm feeling a bit sick. Feeling a bit queasy. Am I in the picture? Am I in the picture yet? Mommy, am I in the picture? Mom! Hey, you wanna buy some drugs? You wanna buy some grass? Some heroin? Some horse? You wanna buy some drugs from me? Hey?
Karen,
Yes, dear.
shall we have sexual intercourse tonight?
Yes, that would be most agreeable.
Don't worry, Mother. I shall return to this earth. My father will send me back. Oh, Jesus. Come on, folks, get your Jesus t-shirt. Only $9.99 a shirt, or 2 for $15. That's a Jesus t-shirt from the crucifixion. Come on, guys, get your Jesus t-shirt. He's only gonna die once. Come on, guys, some memorabilia from the event. That's the crucifixion t-shirt, just $9.99 or $15 for 2. Get your Jesus t-shirt with his face and everything, and everything, and roll out. Mother, come on, we're going home now. You've had too much to drink.
Piss off, you bastards! I'm having a great time here, and I'm digging my ass off, and I've got no shoes on.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, my feet are absolutely killing me. Oh, let's just sit here for a few weeks and let the whole thing sort itself out. I can't keep walking anymore. No, Jeffrey. No, that's not an option. We're doing this as a mission for God, and by Jove, you're going to get to that city and stop the war from happening. Oh, fuck it. Let them sort each other out. I mean, come on, they're not gonna listen to me. I'm just a fucking... Oh, God, I'm so tired. Come on. Why am I after doing this? I mean, he's a big God, man. Why can't he do it himself, the lazy bastard, the lazy shit? Oh, no, he didn't even give me some water or money for the service stations. Oh, fuck him and fuck that city. I'm gonna sit here and get a fucking suntan. Oh. Jeffrey, God has singled you out for your perseverance to take this message to that city and stop a civil war from ruining this country. You know what, Miss fucking fairy shit? You can fly off to God and tell him that I don't give 2 shits about this stupid thing he wants me to do. He's gonna kill me getting there, and I just want to go home and sit down in front of the telly and watch the news. I won't have to be doing this. Well, well, well. He's not gonna be happy with you. Damnation coming your way. Oh, I don't give a shit. Anything to stop this fucking walk. I mean, it's not even a proper road. It's a fucking gravel path. Jesus Christ.
Karen,
Yes, dear?
shall we get horrendously drunk and do a shit on our neighbour's lawn again?
Yes, that would be most enjoyable.
Right. Get your wellies on. I'll meet you outside.